Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and guess what? We'll talk.
Neon's a city's tomb. Footsteps echo under the moon. A dog barks, a car alarm. Chaos wrapped in urban charm. City lights, they never sleep. Dreams to chase, secrets to keep. Concrete jungle, hearts collide. City lights, where we confide. Street vendors with smoky grills. Laughter climbs the rooftop hill. A siren wails, a baby cries. Every story under these skies. Every crack in the pavement sings of broken hearts and diamond rings. City lights, they never sleep. Dreams to chase, secrets to keep. Concrete jungle, hearts collide. City lights, where we confide. Graffiti whisper, painted screen. Broken window, shattered dream. But in the rubble, something grows. The rhythm alive, it always flows. It always flows. Caught in the glow of your midnight eyes. The world disappears where your shadow lies. Every breath you take, a melody in disguise. You move like silk, like a secret breeze. I'm lost, I'm bound, you're the lock and key. Under your spell, I can't break free. You got me, baby, baby. Down on my knees, under your spell. You're all I see. Under your spell, you're all I see. This magic, baby, you and me, you and you. Your touch is a spark, sets my heart aflame. Each whisper you give makes me call your name. Time stops for us, nothing feels the same. Your love's a fire, it burns so slow. I'm tangled up, don't wanna let go. Under your spell, I can't break free. You got me, baby, baby. Down on my knees, under your spell. You're all I see. Under your spell, you're all I see. It's magic, baby,
I really like how the two-tone colors look, and then how the hematite makes the bracelets look. These are really cool. I should do, let me see, 2, 4. This is 5. I'm going to do 2, 4, 5. I want to do 5 more of them, only because I have 5 more of these big beads. And of course, these are going on the wholesale websites. So as many as I could make of something, I have to have, you know, like the beads to be able to make that many of something. So it looks like I can probably get about, maybe about 5 more. And I'm going to go ahead and do those, but I'm not going to do it on camera. Only because I'm basically making the same bracelets. So they're the same bracelets. So, and this is what they're going to look like. And then once I make them, I will take pictures, and then I'll go ahead and package them up in the bags that I showed yesterday how I package. So it'll be in these with the little label in the inside. And I just keep doing that over and over, over and over, over and over. And that's basically what I'm doing. And I think I said that before. My mind don't do the same something. So it is challenging for me to just keep doing, you know, like one piece and then duplicating it and duplicating it and duplicating it. However, I need to do that in order to just make my wholesale platforms, the stores that I have on those platforms, make sense. So somebody might want to buy 2 or 3 or something, and you know, the option should be there, you know, so that's the good thing about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these out. I'm gonna make about 5. Oh, you know what I might do? Look, I have the purple ones. So I think let's do the purple ones. See if the purple ones look as pretty as these right here. And then I can use those beads for something else. So let's go ahead and try that. See what they look like. And then that way we'll have 2 different colors. And if they don't look good, then I just won't finish it out. But I'm thinking it will probably look pretty good too. So we'll see. And then we'll go ahead and do 3 browns on this side. And that's what it looks like so far. Not bad. And then we're going to try these other colors and see what these look like. And if they don't match, I just won't. I'll just go ahead and finish them with the other ones. And then when I look at it, it don't look bad, but I would rather it be black beads instead of the brighter beads. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep stringing them using these beads right here, because I really do like this. First thought, first impression for me, it's these instead of the purple. Okay, so I went ahead and took the pictures for the 6 bracelets. So now I'm going to just go ahead and package them up. And then that way these can be ready. I'll edit the pictures and then go ahead and upload the pictures to the different websites. And then these bracelets will be ready for whenever they're sold. Just going to go ahead and put them in a nice packaging. Have them all packed up. Because my whole thing is, as long as stuff is already ready, like just grab it, basically grab and go. Grab and pack. Because I know there's times where, you know, I'll make items and I'll have them, but I don't package them up. So like when the sales come in, now I gotta backtrack and package up and do all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, why am I not organized when it comes to this? So I've gotten a lot better with just, especially for the wholesale websites, you know, just having stuff already packed up and ready to go. I can't believe this week is already gone. And then see how that's crooked? I don't like nothing to look crooked. I don't like it to look not nice. I don't like the bag to be crinkled. I try my best to make sure that the presentation is like really nice and professional. And if any of you have ordered from me, hopefully when you got your bag, I know it goes through the mail, and God only knows what be happening when it goes through the mail. Hopefully when you get it, it's packaged nicely, you know, and everything looks good, and it even surpasses what you even thought the quality would be. So I try to make sure, you know, to do the best that I can to make it at least look good and professional and that kind of stuff. And you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on packaging and stuff. You know, just make sure it looks really, I mean, you can if you want to. You can if you want to. Don't let me take that from you. I'm just saying you could make it look really nice, you know, until you really start making money to where you can customize everything and you can keep buying customized bags and boxes and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But if you just, you know, you're earning, and you guys already know I'm not no big spender, because I could, I got to really be making a whole lot to even, you know, to be wanting to splurge like that. And even making money like that, I probably wouldn't be splurging like that, you know, if I don't have to. So if people are satisfied when they buy the product, that's my whole thing. As long as the product is quality, you know, people ain't caring about packaging, especially like wholesale. Then people ain't, you know, thinking about that kind of stuff, because remember, all they're going to do is take it out of whatever you send it in, and they're going to repackage it. So they may not ask you about white labeling or private labeling. You know, they're buying what they're buying, and they'll get, let's say if they buy all 6 of these, they're getting these, and they're getting a little label in the inside that I put in. And then they're basically going to take stuff out of these bags, or take my branding, Jewelry by BDK, out and put their own branding in and maybe be selling them in the bag. Who knows? I don't know. But I do know when they get it from me, it'll be nicely packaged, and whatever it is that they want to do with it, they can do with it. That's all there is, no more. So we got these done. I do need to work on some other things. I got these tie-dye beads that I did last night, and I'm going to match them tie-dye beads with these faces, and then I'm going to take some of these beads right here, and I'm going to be doing them in different colors. So that was my thought, to just take these, because I really like these, and then mix them with the glass beads, all these different colors, and then these tie-dye beads that I got, and then see what I can come out, because this is a pretty big bead. So because it's a pretty big bead, I want to match it with other pretty big beads, but then space it with these different color beads. And I'm going to see how that's going to come out. Hopefully it'll come out really nice, what I'm thinking in my mind. Because sometime in your mind, you can have something that it sounds nice, but by the time you put it together, you be like, ooh, girl, that is just not going to work. And then you just got to, you know, try something different. But hopefully it'll come out looking like what I want it to look like. And if it does, guess what? I might be able to do more with the other colors. So anyway, that's it. Darling night for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.